Metro Manila Council or MMC is urging local governments in the capital region to prohibit reserving parking slots. MMDA Chairman Romando Artes emphasized the need for a standardized ordinance across Metro Manila to address the issue. Artes noted that the public's reactions to videos of such incidents indicate growing frustration. Earlier, videos of individuals reserving parking slots went viral, one of which led to a heated confrontation.
Nung tiningnan namin yung pong comments doon sa video, na tuwan-tuwa yung reaction ng mga tao eh. So, ang thinking namin, hindi na dapat umabot sa ganon. Kasi kung ganon ang reaction ng tao, ibig sabihin they are approving yung violence para paalisin yung tao na nagre-reserve. Pwedeng umabot talaga sa sakitan eh. Which yun po yung gusto nating i-prevent.
Let's get more information about this.
We have MMDA Traffic Enforcement Group Director, Attorney Vic Nunez. Welcome to Branch. Good morning, Attorney.
Yes, magandang umaga po at magandang umaga sa lahat ng inyong taga-subaybay.
Do you see high chances that this resolution will be passed? If so, do you have a timeline for this?
Yes, perhaps it's really high time na ma-regulate yung ganitong mga sistema, especially now na papalapit na po yung Kapaskuhan. Alam natin na magkakaroon ng maraming tao sa mga malls, sa mga grocery stores. So, alam naman natin yung usual tendencies ng mga motorista, ng mga Pilipino, kapag mahaba na ang pila, may papababain, mauuna dun sa vacant parking lot at tatayuan. So, actually nga, sabi may nag-comment sa amin na dapat hindi naman na kailangan idaan pa sa amang regulation because this is part of, road courtesy and discipline. But we've witnessed nga po, maraming nangyari na nag-trending sa social media na even sa ibang bansa na yung isang video na binundol talaga yung nakatayo sa parking lot. And sabi nga ni Chairman, nakaka-worry because ang comment dito sa Pilipinas sa social media is that parang they're approving na okay lang banggain yun kasi mali yung taong nakatayo. So perhaps it's really timely na magkaroon tayo ng regulasyon regarding that.
Yes.
So that a clear guidelines on it na hindi ka basta pwedeng tumayo to reserve that parking area doon sa kasama mong malayo pa naman.
Yeah, I agree with that point, Attorney. But ang question dito is, since 70% po of all parking slots within Metro Manila po are owned by private companies, yung past issues, hindi ba dapat sila po ang nag-enforce ng no car, no reservation policy? Did you have a chance to talk to the owners of these parking lots?
Yes, actually, sir, part rin ng aming Christmas traffic mitigation programs, yung coordinating with the different private sectors and stakeholders, especially yung mga mall operators. That's why we adjusted the opening of mall hours and the deliveries of yung mga trucks going to malls. And this will also be part of magiging agenda namin sa susunod na meeting para kausapin sila na magkaroon ng strict guidelines on this so that hindi na po humantong sa sakitan or pagmumurahan ng mga drivers at kung sino man yung tatayo doon sa parking space para pinare-reserve sa ibang sasakyan. So sana naman it's high time, and at least with this magkakaroon ng awareness yung sanay nang gumawa sa ganitong estilo na papababain yung kasamaan at ipapatayo doon sa vacant parking lot. And sana mamulat yung ating mga kababayan at mga gumagawa nito na mali yun.
Pero Attorney, before we move on to Angela, I'd just like to clarify, may mga cities po ba sa Metro Manila ngayon that are enforcing this yung bawal i-reserve ang parking ng isang tao, dapat kotse mismo makapasok? May mga
Actually, wala hong actually yung LGU na may ganito ng ordinansa, but as far as I know, ang Quezon City, meron silang ordinance yung paglalagay ng mga reserved parking slots sa mga tapat ng kanilang establishment. So,
Yun, oo.
nagiging tendency rin ho yan na porke tapat ng tindahan, ng restaurant, nambubuli yung mga security guards ng establishment. Sinasabi, hindi naman namin kayo kliyente, hindi namin kayo customer, ba't kayo dito magpapark? Sa Quezon City po, mayroong ordinansang ganyan na pinagbabawal yan na porke sa harap ng establishment mo,
Sa'yo
you'll
na
reserve
yun.
it for your clients only.
Alam mo, buti binanggit niyo yung attorney.
Oo.
Baka gusto niya i-check in Tomas Morato at Timog. Kasi as of this week, kami mismo po nakakaranas na naka-reserve daw. 10 kayo. Ay, bawal kayo dito. Gumaganong po
papasok sa
sila.
establishment nila. So,
Sabi
paano
ko
natin
nga po sa
papa-implement?
Sabi ko sa mga kaibigan, i-print nyo yung ordinansa at ipakita sa security guard na nangaharas because there's really an ordinance and we even confiscate yung mga signages na reserved parkings for customers,
Ayun.
for clients of a particular establishment kasi maliwanag ko yan sa ordinansa ng Quezon City because that's part of public domain and hindi pag-aarya ng establishment porke kaharap nila.
Totoo. Yan po yung sa Quezon City. Ano po yung ini-impose natin na penalty dyan? And, of course, ano naman yung impose natin penalty just in case, di ba, maging ordinansa na nga itong pinag-uusapan po natin?
Yes, ma'am. Actually, kahapon, the representative of the Quezon City, si Assistant City Admin Bebot Kimpo was there. And Chairman Artes called his attention na baka pwedeng magawang template yung ordinance ng Quezon City at ma-enhance namin to include nga yung tatayuan yung vacant parking lot ng tao para at least magkaroon ng uniformity yung ordinances or magiging guidelines sa lahat ng LGUs ng Metro Manila. Kasama na rin po ang MMDA and we will take kumbaga yung cue, yung basis din doon sa ordinansa na na-submit na at naipasa na ng Quezon City.
So far po naman, lahat po ng LGUs dito sa Metro Manila are on board?
Yes,
With
yes
this
ma'am.
plan?
Actually, unanimous ang members ng Metro Manila Council to act on it, especially now na papalapit na naman ang Kapaskuhan and it's really high time na magkaroon ng ordinansa sa lahat ng LGUs ng Metro Manila regarding those issues sa pag-park, sa pag-reserve ng parking spaces and parking lots.
Oo. Lastly, balikan ko lang po ulit, Director, yung pinaka-date po natin na target na ma-implement itong batas na o ordinance.
Siguro dapat by early December kasi
Yes.
Christmas rush is coming out and alam naman natin ang mga Pilipino na mahilig pumunta sa malls during Christmas season, Christmas rush, shopping, groceries and everything, and we want to avoid that incident na humantong sa violence just because of a parking space.
Right. Okay, on that note, maraming salamat po sa inyong oras. That was MMDA Traffic Enforcement Group Director, Attorney Vic Nunez. Good day, sir.
Thank you very much po. Good morning.
Good morning.
Ayan reminder sa mga
Oo, buti na nabanggit yun ni Director. Yung
Tomas
sa-
Morato, Timog, nakailan encounter na po ako dyan. Bawal mag-park daw dahil sa inyo yan. Hindi po sa inyo yan.
Madalas ganyan. Actually,
Public
hindi lang sa
parking
QC.
space po
Kapag
yan.
may establishment po kayo, hindi po automatic.
I-print
Sa
ko
inyo
yan.
yung nasa unahan.
I-print ko yan mamaya, ganito kalaking kopya. Yan.
Oo,
Ordinance
papanood
ng
natin
Quezon
yung
City.
interview natin kay Director Nunez.